Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Litecoin. On a very strong support of $120, Litecoin is forming different harmonic moves. The last move I shared with you almost 4 months ago when it completed a very big bullish harmonic cipher move on the weekly live time frame chart. And if we take a look at the live chart, then we can see that the price line is moving here above $120 support, and at this support it is forming the different harmonic moves. This is the cipher move, and now it has formed another bullish harmonic reversal cipher pattern. Let me to show you first the previous chart, and then I'll take you to the current cipher pattern. And this was the previous cipher pattern that I shared in the month of June with my members at the Patreon at the end of June, when the price line entered the buying zone, and I told them that we had a very strong support of the weekly 25 and 50 simple moving averages in this buying zone, and our sell targets can be from $186 to $286 as per the Fibonacci sequence of this cipher. And I also shared this pattern in this video with you. Now I'm just going to play the chart. You can see that the price line at that time was moving at $135 and rallied up to $185 and moved down. And this is the next bullish reversal cipher pattern that Litecoin has completed on the same weekly time frame chart. And this chart I shared on 4th of December with my members at the Patreon when this leg was completed, the final leg of the bullish reversal cipher. And you can see that we have a very strong support of 100 simple moving average, and also this 200 simple moving average is moving below the buying zone. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price line reversed back, and now after gearing up, it is moving above this buying zone at this time. Now if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then we can see that the price line is still moving above this $120 very strong support, and both of the patterns are formed above this support of the $120. And the very nice thing is that when previously we entered here in the buying zone of the previous cipher, the stochastic was oversold, and when it turned bullish, the price line followed the signal of stochastic, and we had a very nice move. Right now again we are at the support. We went to the support and tested the support of $120, and the stochastic also entered the oversold zone, and right now the stochastic is again turning bullish, and the price line is following the signals of stochastic, and we can expect another very powerful move. Now if we switch to the daily time frame chart from here, then we can see on the daily time frame chart the price line formed a down channel. This was the resistance of the newly formed down channel. By the way, this is also another long-term down channel, and here we also have the support of this channel. You can also take it as a wedge as well, because I think that will be more appropriate to call it as a wedge rather than down channel. Now the price line has broken out this resistance, and our first resistance after this breakout will be here, the price level resistance of $165. Then other resistance will be at approximately $220, and this will be our final resistance, that is approximately $290. And after breaking out this $290 resistance level, it can turn even more bullish for the very long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.